My next question, Renu, is going to make them even more angry. Niti, Shikha and Renu are on the debate. Madhuvanti seems to be enjoying it. I have been thinking about something today, you know, Renu. 1 minute, please. Shoaib, you know, you're going hyperballistic. You don't need to. You don't need to. It's all right. It's all right. Don't worry. Parambir will come back. Don't worry. We'll find him. Don't worry. My next question is to Renu. Renu, I've been wondering today why some people who love Parambir so much hate Samir Wankhede. I've been really thinking about it, you know. Viewers, don't you think about it? We have 2 officers, 2 case studies. One is Parambir Singh and the other is Samir Wankhede. Bollywood seem to love Parambir Singh, Renu, and they hate Samir Wankhede. In fact, Parambir would party with Bollywood people regularly. He was seen coming out of clubs after partying with Bollywood, and in fact, when he couldn't serve notice to a particular actor in a hit-and-run case, but was partying with him at the same time, and Bollywood loved Parambir, didn't it, Renu? They just loved him. They couldn't have enough of him. He was their man. If they could, they would make a biopic on Parambir and on Sachin Waze. But they hate Wankhede. Why? Because Wankhede does not care, Renu, whether the person being caught is a star, is a star's son, is a star's father, or anything. Right? He has booked 200 celebrities for tax evasion. If he had partied with them, he would have been their favorite. So I think, what do you think, Renu? This contrast is very interesting.
Well, it's fine. It's fine to go after people, whether they're celebrities, whether they're criminals, whether they're politicians. But the fact also is that, are you deliberately targeting a Shah Rukh Khan's son? Because Shah Rukh Khan is a big icon in this country. And is it also to do with UP elections and make it Hindu versus Muslims? Is that the agenda of the BJP? Because you see, if this particular officer was doing his job honestly and correctly, how would the
Where did the Hindu-Muslim angle come in?
Fellows who are close to a lot of politicians? No, let me. Shah Rukh Khan is a Muslim. Everybody knows it.
Where is the Hindu-Muslim angle in the drug raid?
How much of drugs did you get from him? And where is the proof that he what about the Adani port and the 3,000 kilos? Nobody is investigating that. Nobody is talking about it. What we are talking about is big drug haul that came in, which was not investigated, which the media did not pick up.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Arnab, you've spoken. Let me also
Rahul
speak.
is responding. Then have him on air.
That we are talking about little
ridiculous. But I am a little concerned about the Hindu-Muslim angle you brought up here.
It's no need to be concerned.
This is ridiculous. I think, Arnab, before we go any further on this debate, I think the lady out here is damaging the secular fabric of this country. Please understand, Shah Rukh Khan is a maybe a Muslim, but he's watched and loved by as many Indians who are Hindus as Muslims.
Yes,
please do not
everybody.
make this
he's
communal.
A big icon.
People like you are responsible for damaging the secular fabric of this country.
Please let me talk.
The pseudo-secular approach that you all have has destroyed the country.
And then you don't let them speak. What is the point?
You please explain.
What is the point
I
of
want you to explain.
If you don't let them speak?
Kindly explain one statement of yours.
I'm explaining.
Kindly explain.
That's Rahul Narvekar speaking to you. 1 minute.